Radio Man.
Flying high above the clouds, leaving all my fears behind. The world below looks so small as I chase the endless sky. Wings of steel, heart of gold. In this vessel, stories unfold. Every mile, a new tale. In the sky, I never fail. Airplane, take me far away to a place where dreams come true. Airplane, guide me through the night to the dawn of something new.
Full of my dream, up in the air like I'm on a beam. Turbulence can't shake my core, I'm destined to explore more and more. And skies open wide, no limits in sight. Under the stars, I'm feeling the light. Destination's calling, I hear the sound. With every touchdown, a new battleground.
Heart of gold. In this vessel, stories unfold. Every mile, a new tale. In the sky, I never fail. Airplane, take me far away to a place where dreams come true. Airplane, guide me through the night to the dawn of something new. Through turbulence, the sun's out bright, above the worries left behind. In the cabin of the sky, I find the peace I've tried to find, Wings of steel, heart of gold. In this vessel, stories unfold. Every mile, a new tale. In the sky, I never fail. Airplane, take me far away to a place where dreams come true. Airplane, guide me through the night to the dawn of something new. Something new. Radio Man, have you cleared for takeoff runway 03?